Well, good morning. See this? I live in Wisconsin. Today is the 14th of August. There was an election today. I voted for Randy Bryce. Why would I vote for him? The ironstache. Oh, by the way, if there's any political fighting in here, I'm deleting your comments. Not the time or place. But why did I vote for him? Because this guy unequivocally rejects all legal bribe money. He's not on the bankroll of anybody, so he can represent the people. And that almost never happens, except these days, because of our current president, there's actually quite a lot of people in a lot of different states that openly reject all legal bribe money and want to get it out, all private money out of our politics once and for all. So find out who's running in your state. Find out when those elections are, these primaries, these special elections. Find out who is not on the take, who does not have a conflict of interest, and vote for those people. Even if you disagree with them on some of the issues, the most important thing is to get all the private money out, because at the end of the day, you cannot compete with somebody who's bribing our elected leaders with millions of dollars. You can't. It's unfair, and you'll never win voting for those people, ever, even if you think so. So find out who they are and support them. All right, everyone, make it a beautiful day, and I'll see you later. Mwah.